What is the deeper perspective of human concern? We analyze the responses of 80 postgraduate students from Greece, following the course Global Disasters and Crises in 2021. This study offers us a unique window into the priorities of a highly sensitized academic community. Section 1. The sample and study context. Our sample consists of 80 students, whose course subject matter enhances critical thinking about systemic risks and long-term consequences. Demographically, the sample is balanced: 55% women and 45% men, with an average age of 33 years. This balance allows us to clearly analyze gender differences in prioritizing concerns. Let's see how the scale of their concerns is shaped. Section 2. The supra-individual concern. The first finding is overwhelming. 75% of the concerns are clearly extroverted. Students focus on society, global cooperation, and the next generation, confirming the collective nature of their thought. Personal concern remains low at only 10%. Section 3. The 5 dominant thematic axes. Answers converged into 5 themes of concern: social structure and equality, intergenerational responsibility and sustainability, global cooperation and peace, technology, ethics and AI, and philosophy and human existence. In the analysis of the 5 main axes, 2 themes dominate, accounting for nearly 2/3 of the total interest. Social structure and equality comes first with 32.5%. Immediately following, with 27.5%, is intergenerational responsibility and sustainability, emphasizing the climate and environmental challenge. Systemic problems are at the top of the agenda. Section 4. Differences in concern by gender. Distinguishing responses by gender reveals clear differences in the prioritization within the same axes. Female students clearly place greater importance on issues of social structure and equality, as this axis accounts for 36% of their responses, focusing on collective justice and immediate social cohesion. Conversely, men are far more intensely concerned about technology, ethics, and AI than women, while their first concern is intergenerational responsibility and sustainability. Section 5. Intergenerational priorities. Interesting fluctuations are also observed within the age subgroups coexisting in the postgraduate program. The youngest, 18 to 25, set intergenerational responsibility and sustainability as their top priority, as they are the generation that will experience the long-term consequences of today's decisions. The adults, 26 to 40, focus on social structure and the implementation of equality, while the older group, 41 plus, emphasizes philosophy and the search for human essence in the face of global crises. These differences highlight how age and life stage influence the perspective of concern, even in a common academic environment. Section 6. The scale of concern and conclusion. Overall, the concern is universal. 85% involves a global focus, looking beyond national boundaries. The dominant time horizon is the lifespan of the next generation, making this a fundamental concern of responsibility. The consciousness of this academic community is clearly collective, supra-individual, and focused on equality and responsibility for tomorrow. The next generation is our true horizon.